These are the elevators, the IKEA in Columbus, Ohio. These are MEI Showroom. And we're gonna go up on one and down on the other. Which means I'm about to cram a lot of content into a lot of time. Cab view, 59B, floor indicator, 5-floor operation, individual universal fixtures, capacity 10,000 pounds. This is kind of a bit rough going up, honestly. Oh, missed the fixture going out. There's my key flotations. And these are all super controllers. Which in theory means I should be able to get this one. Or have to wait for it. And it should come. And I know this is going to be a short video, but I kind of want to save some time and also save some space on my phone. Oh, perfect, here we are. One. 12 pounds as well. Mission Universal, 89C, or 590C, IKEA consultations. Watch the indicator in this one. Certificate. And again, sorry for going fast. I was gonna do a machine room right here, but the machine room is actually in an employees only area at the store. I can see it, I just couldn't get to it. Those doors closing. Possibly. That's it.